Alrighty, eating with George by my side. Today is Saturday, 12 July 2025. I am Tanis, she, her, hers of Seattle, and I've got a pint of Egoo ice cream, buttery maple flavor, maple syrup, paper, something like that. And I saved it, marked it as mine. I went out and bought it yesterday. It was $3.48 from the Winco Foods on Highway 99 in Edmond, Washington State. And as I go attempt to eat it all, Egoo ice cream. Ooh, look at that. I am going to talk about George Russell. I took it out of the freezer and left it for 10 minutes in the sun. Or for 10 minutes, like 7 minutes in the sun. It's got caramel, it's got a chunk of something. And a bunch of syrup. The video is a interview, a source. It's like his picks for essentials that he can't live without. And George Russell, Miss George, is a Formula One race car driver. In the screen grab, he is showing one of his picks. It is a fireproof Formula One race car driving uniform. This is both buttery and syrupy. Very flavorful. Even when cold. Was it too cold? I hope not. Oh, steam's coming off. I thought it would be a good pairing for a fireproof uniform. So something cold with something so the uniform's down here. With something meant to protect a person from fire. You know, I have research experience in experimental petrology. Where we ran a furnace at like 1500 degrees Celsius and mixed dangerous gases in a vertical tube furnace and grew crystals, grew rocks. Made rocks, grew crystals. Some crystals are grown for cars, making cars, and other electronic products, or timing products, like quartz is used for timing. But that was very good. And we had to wear fire-resistant lab coats. So he says fireproof, and I'm like, is that fireproof or fire-resistant? No. Experimental petrologist me. Scientist me. Because we had to wear fire-resistant lab coats to protect us from potential fireballs coming out of the top of the furnace. So I was watching this video. I was like, it's a pretty cool thing in its own way. Both sports and science have areas where we have to, him and I, real people, have to wear fireproof or fire resistant personal protective equipment or uniforms to not catch on fire. So, I'm watching this going, you've done that for work, and I've done that for research. He's done that for sports, and I've done that for science. I think that's pretty cool. $91 out of 10. I finished it. Thank you for joining George and Tanis. Tanis and George for the Stunning with.